make some rainbow snow, aren't we?
Yeah!
Okay, let's start. First, we need the snow. Scott, can you pass me the snow?
Let me find the snow. I like this snow. Here it is.
Thank you. First, we put the snow in the container.
Wow!
Then what do we do?
We pick a colour. What colour shall we choose?
Let me think about this one. Oh, what about red?
Okay. David, which one's red?
This one is red.
Is he right?
Yes, he's right. Well
Red.
done, David.
Red.
Wow, look at that beautiful red colour.
Wow.
That's amazing. Can I try?
Of course.
I think David should try first because he's before me.
Thank you.
Wow. What colour are you going to choose, David?
I'm going to choose green. Which one is green, Scotty?
Oh, let me think about that one. Does that look like green?
No.
Does this look like green?
No.
Maybe this is green.
Yes.
Wow, that's great.
Wow.
That's amazing. Wonderful. Look at that beautiful green colour.
So now we have red and green.
Amazing. Can I try? Can I try?
What colour?
Let me choose a colour. I like yellow, but there's no yellow. So I'm going to have to try orange because that's my next favourite colour.
First you need the snow.
Which one was orange? Was this orange?
No!
No. David, is this orange?
No.
How about this one?
Yes.
Let me double check. Yes, okay. Let me take the orange.
Wow.
Put it into my beaker. A little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Wow, look at all those colours.
That is absolutely beautiful.
Should we choose just one more colour?
Oh, can we?
Yes, what colour should we do?
What colour have we not used yet?
Red, green, orange. This one.
Oh, what colour's that?
What colour's that?
Blue.
Blue.
Wow!
Wow, look at that beautiful blue. Guys, I think we're finished. Wow!
It's a rainbow.
Can you make your rainbow snow?
Let's do it together.
Bye!